Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check in online on Wizz Air. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for Wizz Air check-in. A list of search results will appear, so click on the official Wizz Air check-in link. Once the page loads, select Check-in and Booking from the top right corner. Now, enter your confirmation code along with the passenger's last name to retrieve your booking. After that, click on the Start Online Check-in button and choose the passenger you want to check in. Next, you will be prompted to select seats. Simply use the Random Seat feature to continue. From here, select the weight of your luggage and proceed to the next step. Click Continue, then enter the passenger's personal data as required. Once all details are filled in, click Continue again. Finally, click on Check-in, and that is it. Your online check-in for Wizz Air is now complete. So that's basically how you can check in online on Wizz Air. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.